It's going big, big and big and big. What to do? Wow.
You're gonna do a magic trick?
Yes.
Let me see.
Abracadabra, abracadabra. Can I see? Oh, it's muddy.
You did do magic. How'd you do that?
What's this one? Oh, oops. Oh, New Mexico.
New Mexico.
Santa Fe, New Mexico.
Santa Fe, New Mexico.
And the snow. Bye-bye, snow. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna play snow.
Snow. What do we have, Isaac?
Snow water in the bucket.
Snow, water in a bucket?
Yes, it
You silly boy. How many scoops are you gonna do?
is. 10. Here's this one.
1,
2. And that's 2. 3. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Oh, I can get it. And 10. I did this one.
You're silly.
But did it now. Now let's put the water. I need to do.
Okay.
Put all of it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, all of it. It's going big and big and big. I like to do. Wow. Now let's get smaller.
More water.
Now we're gonna put the more water.
Now you're gonna put more water?
A lot. The big snow.
Big snow.
What does it feel like? Touch your mom?
How does it feel?
I don't know, but I don't know what it feels like. Okay, get it.
Do you like the snow?
Yes, it's cool. Awesome. I'm gonna do a magic trick.
You're gonna do a magic trick?
Yes.
Let me see.
You ready, Mom?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Abracadabra, abracadabra. Can I see? No, Mommy.
There's nothing. Let me see. Maybe there's something inside.
Oh, it's muddy.
You did do magic. How'd you do that? Is there anything else?
Oh, a car.
Oh, a car.
A Disney car.
There.
Yes. Chase.
Chase.
I think he's hiding.
What was Chase doing in there?
He's not doing nothing in there.
What?
Oh, Santa.
What's the capital of Florida? Tallahassee. What else is in there?
It's from California. What is that? Florida again?
Florida again.
Ah, a fire truck.
A fire truck. What?
Michael, what's the fire truck is going in there?
What?
It's red. Michael, why?
What else is in there?
A sea. Oh, Rocky.
Rocky. Let me see Rocky.
I can get it. Okay. Let's keep quiet.
He was also in the snow.
Oh, yes. Hey, guys, I'm going to the park. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm in the snow. Help me.
Save Rocky.
Okay, I got you. I thank you. Camera, thank you.
There's Rocky.
I'm gonna dig in there. He's out. Snow. Listen. Arizona, Phoenix.
What's the capital of Arizona?
Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Let's see what's this one. Oh, oops. Oh, New Mexico.
New Mexico.
Santa Fe, New Mexico.
Santa Fe, New Mexico.
Oh, what's this one? Oh, Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Let's take it out.
What? What is that? Michigan. What's the capital of Michigan?
19.
Lansing.
Michigan 19. Arkansas, Little Rock.
Cool.
Oh, I see something in there. Or Georgia is Atlanta. Oh, stop sign. Bye. What's this one? Oh, it's Colorado.
Colorado.
Denver.
Denver.
Olympia. Washington.
What? Blue Batman.
Bye-bye.
What is
Yeah,
it?
California.
California. Let me see California. What? California. What's the capital of California?
Sacramento. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. There was a lot of stuff in there, huh?
Yeah, the Lord put.
We had a cool stop sign. We had California. Capital of California, Sacramento. Lightning McQueen. Colorado. Denver. We had Washington, Olympia. We had a tiger. Batman. What is this? Michigan, Lansing. Cool fire truck. Woo! Woo! Georgia, Atlanta. New Mexico, Santa Fe. Chase. Chase. Whoa.
So hiding this
Arizona, Phoenix. Florida, Tallahassee. Car. Doo, 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 doo.
What's this one?
And Rocky. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Doo, 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 doo. That's a lot of snow, huh?
It is. Why? No.
Cool.
It's awesome.
Toys. And states and
Look.
how'd you like the snow?
It's cool.
It's cool, huh?
I like it.
I like it too.
And I'll overtaste to it. His ears, everything is cheese. I like it. Down Bubba out. And the snow. Wait, Bubba snow. What's this? Magic? Please don't get subscribed. Bye. Thank God for watching.